In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images from Magnific AI mobile for free. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and which buttons to tap, so your images save straight to your device without any confusion. Start by opening the Magnific AI app on your phone. When the app loads, you'll land on the main screen. From here, look to the bottom of your screen for the navigation bar. Tap Work. This section is your project hub. It neatly organizes everything you've created or uploaded so you don't have to dig around to find a specific image. Inside Work, you'll see options like History and Uploads. For this walkthrough, tap History. History is especially helpful because it shows your recent activity in the order you used it, which makes it easy to locate the images you've been working on most recently. Take a moment to scan the thumbnails so you can spot the exact image you want. Once you've found the image, tap it to open the full view. At the top of the screen, you'll see a download icon, typically a downward-facing arrow. Tap that icon. This is the command that prepares the file for saving to your device. A small prompt will appear. Tap Download. That's it. The image will be saved to your phone using your device's default settings, usually in your Downloads folder or your photo library, depending on how your device handles files. Larger or higher resolution images can take a moment to finish saving, so give it a second if you don't see it right away. To recap the flow you just followed, open Magnific AI, go to Work at the bottom, choose History, select your image, tap the download icon at the top, and then tap Download. Keep in mind that the interface may update over time, but the placement of Work, History, and the Download button remains consistent. If you're managing many files, naming and organizing them later in your Gallery or Files app can help you keep things tidy. That's all you need to download images from Magnific AI Mobile for free. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.